Okay, and if we take a look at the next problem, it's asking us to solve for the node voltage, so right there. But notice we have two separate sources here, so it might cause some issues. But let's see. So if we take a look here and we're trying to find the node voltage, they've already defined I1, I2, and I3 for us. So that's pretty useful. We'll just go ahead and drop those bad boys over here. 1, I2, and I3. All right, and if we go ahead and using the KCL, and we're trying to find a node voltage, we should go ahead and use a nodal analysis. Yeah, they're kind of pushing us towards that direction. And if we know that there's 0 volts at the ground, there's 0 volts along this wire up until we hit an element. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. So now what we can say is that there's going to be a voltage gain across these. So if we look here, we pass through this battery, we're going to pick up 12 volts and have 12 volts there. We're going to cross through this battery, and we'll pick up 6 volts and we'll 6 volts there. So what now our currents are going to be, if we go and write our equation out, so I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. What we're going to do is just analyze from here to there, from here to there, and from here to there. So we're going to the points where we know we have voltage. And if we go ahead and do that, we'll see for I1, it'll be V of 1 minus 12 over 100 plus V of 1 minus 0 over 200 plus V of 1 minus 6 over 300 plus 100 here. So this would be 400, and that'll be equal to 0. Okay, and we just go and multiply by the common denominator, get 4 V of 1 minus 12 plus 2 times V of 1 minus 0 plus V of 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and then if we come in here and just start multiplying out, so 4V1 minus 48 plus 2V1 plus V of 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. We will get 7V1, looks like that'll be minus 54 is equal to 0. So therefore V of 1 is going to be equal to 54 over, it's an ugly 4, 54 over 7. So therefore V of 1 will equal 7.71 volts. Okay, just real quick, short and easy problem, but it might be a little tricky if you don't know just to use those points.